Welcome back, viewers. So today we will be testing the momentum indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below. Before we get into testing today's indicator though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everybody to see. So to date, we have tested 34 indicators, and out of those 34 indicators, we have had 11 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio that we have set. The best one so far has had an 85% win rate. So as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of those 11 indicators and go start profitably trading the market now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those 11 indicators, and jump out there in the market and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. So, as I said, today we will be testing the momentum indicator. If you watched the last video that I made, I actually tested the same indicator, but instead of testing it as a zero line cross, I tested it as a 2-line cross. And so I put a standard moving average alongside the momentum indicator, and every time those lines cross, we traded those and used those as the trade signals. It didn't work out very well. It was nowhere near the 60% win-loss ratio that we are looking for. And so for all fairness, I thought it would be only fair to test this as the 0-line cross, which we do with quite a few of the lined indicators here at the channel. So obviously, the 0-line cross, we have a 0 line. That is indicated by the red line here. When the light blue line here, the momentum indicator, crosses up above, that is a buy signal. When it crosses down below, that is a sell signal. And that is quite simply how we will be testing the indicator today. And let's see here. So we had our first cross here, and it does appear as though that was a winner. So I am going to mark that one off here as a winner, and we will move on to see what else the momentum indicator can give us. Now, in the last testing video that I did on the momentum indicator, it turned out to be quite an overtrader. And so I am interested to see exactly how it's going to play out now that we're using a 0-line cross. And so far, as you see, it's not looking too great. But we will keep plugging along here and see what we can get out of it. We are about midway through the year now, and it seems to be doing a little bit better. A little early to tell quite yet exactly whether or not it will be able to squeeze out the win here, but I do notice a little bit of improvement from it by switching it to a 0-line cross. Of course, I say that as it takes a loss, but then catches a decent downtrend there. So we'll keep plugging along here closer to the end of the year and see what we can get out of this indicator. All right, we are about to the end of the year now. Get these last couple of signals in here, and we will tally up the trades and see what we get out of it. All right, so that is the end. And here we are again with quite a bit of an over trading situation and quite a bit of losses, proving once again that over trading does not make you profitable. The more trades you take does not necessarily mean the more wins you are going to be able to achieve. So let's count it out here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Quite interesting. So 42, the last time we tested it, it had 40 trades. So changing it to a zero line cross actually gave it a few more trades. So, we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and gave it almost the same exact number of winning trades. And so we actually picked up 2 losing trades. And so this is a good example of how, using indicators in different ways can obviously have different outcomes and not necessarily for the better. Obviously, I would lay money that trading this momentum indicator as a zero line cross is how the creator intended it to be traded. And if they didn't intend it to be traded as a zero line cross, I'm going to venture to say that the vast majority of traders using this indicator would use it as a zero line cross. And so, as you see, using the way that it was intended to be used actually made it worse than improvising and applying a way of trading that was kind of out of the box. And so, but nonetheless, it still is a losing indicator. It did not do any good. And so, yes, again, it's going on the no list. And I know that we will be able to achieve or find a momentum indicator that is going to, give us what we need in our trading system. This one just is not going to do it. If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView and you are interested in signing up for TradingView. If you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, alright everybody, I will see you on the next video.